So, you think he's a legend? Okay, our first award, again, is the Hall of Fame award presented in recognition for your contributions and achievement toward youth basketball in San Diego. And the first person again, I have to say is one of my mentors in this business. He coached for years, North County, doing many things, high school coach. So this award goes to Fentress Wynn. Where's Coach Wynn at? Here you go. And the funny thing about it is, and we probably don't remember this, but one day at a tournament that he did years ago, because he ran some very good tournaments at University High School, he pulled me to the side and sat me down and told me to be in this game and the longevity, what I needed to do. Because at the time, I was a forward kind of coach, young dude with a lot of anger problems. And Coach Wynn said, you're a pretty good coach, but if you want to be here long, this is what you do. And so he probably don't remember telling me that because it was after a tournament, actually after a brawl. After a brawl with a friend, became a friend of mine, Joe Keller and Fina, after a brawl. When that team was Tyson Chandler and Childress and them, and they beat us down by 60, and a brawl broke out. And instead of me trying to be the mediator, I was repping a couple of Cougars for life. But he pulled me to the side, and to this day, I appreciated Coach Wynn, so thank you.
I want him to tell the whole story, and these guys don't get enough credit. We started a long time ago, and I know Michael Brunker way down when they were doing Gus Macker and doing a Police Athletic League, and then I met guys like Jeff, and a lot of these guys, they made a highway for these guys to do what we're doing today, and I'm so honored to be here. And I told Jeff that on several occasions because, you know, we do a lot of stuff, and Michael Brunker, when I was coming up, used to tell me, you know, we got to find a way to help the community. It can't always be pay for play. And he would just beat that in me. And I used to tell these guys, we need to get paid. I need gas. And Jeff would always say, no, we got to help these kids. So these guys have been staunch in their support of helping kids. I know for me and Jeff going all the way back to 1993, to Michael Brunker back to 1986. And I'm honored to get this award for, I don't know, the little bit I did. If anything, it was, I brought a team from North County way down to Paradise Hills before it was fashionable, and took teams up to LA before it was fashionable, and got kids out here playing and saying that it's bigger than one team, it's bigger than one man, and it takes a community to build this game we call club basketball. But the message today is bullying. We've all been a part of it, had it done against us, or have done it to somebody else. So this is a great day, and I'm honored, and I appreciate you guys. All right.